Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the crypto portfolio tracker available on our website, spreadsheetshub.com. It helps you track your crypto assets, monitor portfolio performance, and stay on top of market changes all in one place. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories for filling out the tables later. The next step shows you how to enter account data and analyze it. The following section explains how to enter data for your crypto purchases and sales. At this stage, it's important to provide all the necessary details to ensure accurate tracking and analysis of your portfolio. The next step shows how to analyze your portfolio and dashboard, a crucial stage that helps you understand performance, track trends, and make informed investment decisions. Go to the settings sheet. Select the base currency. The currency table is updated automatically. In the Exchanges section, enter the list of platforms where you buy, sell, or manage your cryptocurrencies. For example, Binance, Kraken, or Bybit. In the Chains section, enter the list of blockchain networks on which your assets are held or transacted. For example, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Optimism, or Arbitrum. These networks help you categorize your holdings and better track where your crypto assets are distributed across different ecosystems. In the crypto table, you need to list the cryptocurrencies you trade. Enter the cryptocurrency. Enter the name. Enter the category. The live price of the cryptocurrency will be pulled in automatically. Prices are updated using an external data source, so when you open the file in Google Sheets or Excel, you may see a warning message. Just make sure to allow access so the data can update correctly. Enter a few more cryptocurrencies. In the Account Ledger section, enter the list of stablecoins you hold or transact with. Let's enter a few examples. In these sections, you can specify up to 100 categories. Go to the Account Register sheet. Enter your account information in the table below. In this table, list all deposits and withdrawals associated with your accounts. Enter the date. Select the platform. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Select the transaction type. Select fiat or crypto. Select the currency or coin. Enter the amount. Enter the fees. The amount in the column is automatically calculated. Enter more transactions. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Move on to the Analysis section. This section provides a clear overview of your account activity. The current balance is calculated based on the transactions listed on the transaction ledger sheet. The total deposits and total withdrawals are calculated based on the data entered in the table below. In the section, you can view data for the platform, broken down by currency and coin. Select a currency and coins. The amounts are calculated automatically based on the data provided in the table below. Go to the Transaction Ledger sheet. In this table, you need to enter transactions for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Enter the date. Select the platform. Select the transaction type. Select the currency and ticker. The drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Data in the name and category columns is populated automatically. Select the purchase chain. Enter the quantity, coin price, and fees. The amounts in the columns are calculated automatically. Enter more data. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. Move to the Global Portfolio sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. This section displays the summary data. These summary metrics provide an analysis of your portfolio performance, allowing you to quickly evaluate overall profitability, identify trends, and understand the balance between gains and losses. The table displays detailed information by ticker. Last price represents the current market price of each asset, while all-time high shows the highest price the asset has ever reached. Average cost reflects the average purchase price across all your buy transactions, and quantity indicates the total amount of each asset you hold. The portfolio value shows the current market value of your holdings, while the cost value represents the total amount you have invested. Unrealized profit and loss and its percentage show your current profit or loss on open positions, whereas realized profit and loss reflects the profit or loss from completed trades. Total profit and loss combines both realized and unrealized results, and return on investment shows your overall percentage return on the invested capital. These metrics provide a comprehensive overview of your portfolio performance, helping you quickly assess realized and unrealized results, understand overall profitability, and make more informed investment decisions based on both current holdings and completed transactions. Go to the Global Dashboard sheet. This section displays summary data on the portfolio, total investments, and investment returns. The investment value over time chart shows the total investment amount by month. The investment by crypto chart shows the breakdown of investments by crypto. This visualization helps you clearly see how your capital is distributed across different assets and quickly understand your portfolio composition. The investment by category chart shows the breakdown of your investments across different categories. The chart shows the breakdown of your investments across different exchanges. The chart highlights the top 20 assets based on their returns. This visualization helps you quickly identify your best performing investments, compare performance across assets, and focus on the coins that contribute most to your overall portfolio growth. The investment by chain chart shows the breakdown of your investments across different blockchain networks. Move on to the chain distribution section. In this section, you can select a chain and see which coins the investments were made in. This helps you clearly understand how your assets are distributed within each blockchain, identify which coins dominate a specific chain, and evaluate your exposure at a more detailed level. And one technical point. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the Crypto Portfolio Tracker. By adding your own data, you'll quickly see how easy it is to monitor your investments, track performance across assets, and stay organized in one place. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.